Goals of psychology. In the application of psychological knowledge, practitioners pursue four broad goals. The first goal is description. Psychology practitioners aim to describe behaviors or mental processes with the best accuracy they could. The description of the behavior or mental process signifies the clear identification of the target behavior or mental process being studied. This is an inevitable part of reaching the three other goals. The second goal is the explanation. Practitioners do not stop only at describing. Pursuing the identification of reasons for behavior or mental process is vital. In this goal, different methods are employed to specifically identify causal factors of behavior or mental process being described. When we connect it with our previous video on theory and hypothesis, this goal is where you find or provide theory that explains the behavior or mental process. For example, if a person manifests aggressive behavior, one should employ different methods in identifying the cause of aggressive behavior as well as the time and situation the said behavior came out. Thus, one will identify a theory that explains why the behavior came out. Once these aspects are identified, this would also lead us to our next goal, the prediction. In this goal, the practitioner provides predicting statement or hypothesis as to when is the time the behavior or mental process will manifest. One presents conditions or a set of conditions that influence the behaviors. The important thing here, the practitioner should test all the conditions identified to eliminate conditions that have nothing to do with the behavior. Once conditions are proven to influence behavior, this helps practitioners achieve the fourth goal, to influence or modify. Utilizing all the information from the achieved goals, the last thing to do is to provide practical solutions to the problems identified. In whatever field of psychology, this is the most important goal one should achieve. In the industrial setting, one should be able to influence organization members to behave leading toward the organization's goal. In a clinical and counseling setting, one should be able to modify unfavorable behaviors or mental processes of clients. Putting into a real-life situation an aggressive behavior, in the description part, the practitioner presents what kind of aggression an individual manifested. In the explanation part, the practitioner presents a theoretical principle explaining why the aggressive behavior came out. The practitioner then predicts when is the next time the said behavior will come out. Is it during the absence of a loved one? Or is it during frustrating moments of life? Lastly, the practitioner should provide action plans or interventions leading to the reduction of the aggressive behavior in the presence of the conditions that trigger it. The four goals identified appear to be basic knowledge that is easy to learn in studying psychology. However, this is the knowledge most practitioners forget in their practice and even in their day-to-day experiences. This is a dangerous condition on the part of the practitioner given the knowledge of different psychological terms and disorders. If one is not vigilant, this compromises the practice and the entire field of psychology.